Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel for another video. So this video is just a one brand tutorial on e.l.f. There are certain things that I have and certain things that I don't have, and yeah, so let's get into the video and see what kind of look I come up with. So the first thing I'm gonna do is my brows, seeing as I am refilming this, and that was one of like the main things I had forgotten to do in the last video that I did. So I'm gonna be taking my e.l.f. ultra precisely thin brow pencil in natural brown. The next thing I'm going to do is prime my skin, and I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Don't mind my janky nails or the band-aid on my thumb. I had done my nails before, but I ended up having to taking my nails off within a few days because I had an allergic reaction to one of the product what I used on my nails. So for foundation, I don't like the e.l.f. foundation because the last video I did, it was sitting on top of my skin and it looked like I had scales on my forehead, and I was not liking that at all. So I'm gonna be going in with my Revlon Colorstay in the color Walnut. Feels like I am a little orange. To set my concealer, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. pressed powder in light to medium. I don't particularly have a setting powder from e.l.f. that I like. I have never tried this one before, but I am giving it a try. To set the rest of my face, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. loose setting powder in translucent. Because I don't have a loose powder. Ugh, and I'm creating a mess here. From e.l.f. that I like. For bronzer slash contouring, I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. bronzer in Deep. This is like from their dollar collection. For blush, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. blush palette in dark, and I'm going to be taking this and this shade, these two shades here at the bottom, and I'm going to mix them. For my eye primer, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. eye base in Sheer. I'm going to be taking Darlin as my transition. So I'm going to use the Noir to line my eyes. to smudge that black out, I'm going to be using Earth. I'm just gonna go back in with Darling, and I'm just gonna blend all over my eyes and down to my lids, seeing as it wasn't necessary for me to just do a transition shade. I wasn't sure what look I was going for. I'm going to rim my waterline with the e.l.f. waterproof gel eyeliner in black. I mean tight line. For mascara, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Length and Volume Mascara in black. And it layers up really nicely. I think I found my new favorite mascara. I'm just gonna leave my bottom lash line bare. I'm not really a fan of putting anything much on my lower lash line. To highlight, I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. Baked Highlighter in Blush Gem. That's more, say, glowy or more beaming. This is not it. You can build it up to where you want to glow and blind people, but I like more of a subtle highlight. Don't get me wrong, I love me a beaming highlight, which is the thing I love about this one is that you can build it up, which is what I'm doing right now, and I'm loving it. I am loving it. And I haven't even tried this. This is the e.l.f. Liquid Shadow in Chrome. Let's see how it works. I've had this for a while and I haven't even tested it out. But it's got glitter and I'm not a fan of glitter. This is coming from someone that does not like glitter, but is it supposed to feel sandy and chunky? If so, please leave a comment in the description box, but I'm not liking this shadow right now. So, for lips, I'm going bold. This is the e.l.f. Threw away the packaging because I had to wipe this whole thing off. This is their new lipstick in, let's see, I have no idea what the shade is, but once I find the shade for it, I will, ugh, my lip sketch. When I find the shade, I will leave the shade name in the description box. Yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this or for any other videos. And please stay safe, you guys. Stay in. Yeah. And as always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah.